Somebody just asked me to explain in what do you call it, common language of what I was talking about on the charts thread with AHZ. You had these 4 hits up here, okay, at 18.5. Now basically what I was saying, well, that was a Gann theory rule. On the 4th hit they usually go through. But I was also saying to get through that 18.5, because it was this 261.8% projection, it would need a lot of volume and a lot of force to do that. As you can see, there was this ascending triangle here, okay, and you had an equilateral triangle in here. So you had both triangles, and the phone's rang, so I'll put it on pause. Okay, we're back again. Yeah, so basically what's happened is after it's failed again at this 18.5, it's someone's decided to say it's not going through there, and it's come back now. It's broken down through the bottom of the triangle here as well. Okay, so these triangles can break to the upside and they can break to the downside. So this is suggesting this one is breaking to the downside. And there you go, 14.5 is your next fib, and then you've got a few others on the way back down. So that's basically what I was suggesting. Also on the weekly chart, I was sort of saying that the candles, if we have a look at them, these 3 here, there's a spinning top, there's another spinning top in here. If you add them all together, they become a spinning top, and it opened and went down this week. Yeah, so basically to recap, what I'm saying here is you've got this formation here on your weekly chart, okay, which has stayed well and truly inside the equilateral triangle and has broken down today. Now this is the weekly chart, so what it would need to do is to try and get back inside the triangle, but by the look of these MAs here, I don't think it's got much chance, and I'd be thinking that it's probably going to retest lower levels. And recapping the Gann thing is 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts at this 261.8% fib. That's a projection, okay? That projection is one that is very hard to get through, and on the 4th attempt it hasn't. So the smart traders have rejected it and sold again. Okay, and now it's coming lower. If you also look at the weekly chart indicators here, they're basically telling you a story there as well. And if we do the same for the daily chart, pretty much the same sort of story. I'll just bring that down a little bit so you can see the bottom on the daily chart has broken down through a divergence line there, okay, and is basically heading lower, okay. And if we have a look on the daily chart, you can see, you know, a clear break of both triangles here. So let's bring that down a little bit more, so you can see what I'm looking at, what I'm talking about. Yeah, so to me it looks like it's going to retest this 14.5 and could even go lower. It just needs to find somewhere else to support and consolidate, and then to try and go higher and break through that 18.5.